located at 5264. We come into the room. It's the Oceanview room, family.
Yes, princess.
Oceanview, I think is what this called. I don't know. Here we go. You got this little vanity here. You know, we had us a little sailboy chocolates and some family champagne for the family. All right. They got me with the whale tail. Of course, the waters. Make sure you order your waters before you get on. If you don't get a drink package, they're cheaper. All right, we've got our fridge here. We got our fridge. We've got. This is a joining room, so it joins with the room next door. We're by ourselves, so we're not really by ourselves, but there's nobody joining with us. All right, we got the TV. This bed is awesome. It looks so comfortable. All right, look at that lighting. It's great. And we've got. I think this is a pull out, turns to bed. They'll do that at night when it's time to go to sleep. And this is the ocean view. So right now, the ocean view we got is the the port area. All right. Take you back over here. Oh, storage wise. So we got some drawers down here. There's a hair dryer, some bags for laundry, and just more storage down here. It looks like this thing rolls around, so that's helpful. And there is more storage under here. $450 for one of these right now. Carnival, one thing I would say, Carnival has recently increased the price of their water. Since like November, the water price has gone up like 200 plus %. It was like, for one of these, I believe it was like, it was like 4 something or something like that before November. And November it went up like $2. And now it's gone up even more. Luckily, we bought ours before they just did the price increase. Here's a closet at the entryway. Lots of hangers in there. Oh, another closet here. Lots more space. There's plenty of space to hang things in here. Plenty of space. There's these 3 hangers as well. Well, you know, everybody always brings their magnetics. Like usual, here's the cold hot. We like it cold. Sucks that you need your car to turn the lights on, but you know, it is what it is. Here we go. The lavatory, the rest of the room. There's the throne. All right. Not the biggest, but definitely takes care of what it needs to do in here. All right. And then on the other side, we have the shower. Right here. There's a good looker right over there in the mirror. Okay. And that's about it. That's it for our room tour. As you can hear, I'm being summoned. So I think we're gonna go check out the kids club next. But yeah, this is actually our first Oceanview room. We're interior cruisers, but we got an offer for an upgrade, and it was pretty cheap, so couldn't pass it up. So this is our first Oceanview room, and it's nice. I think she's gonna be spending a lot of cruise right there. She's gonna be spending a lot of cruise right there. All right. See you guys later.